welcome to the channel of Kanak Info Systems. So today we are discuss about the rainbowman effect. You might have seen in certain modules of Odoo that whenever you click on some button or whenever you completed a task, then the rainbowman effect will be appear. And in the certain modules of Odoo, like in CRM, we have some opportunity and all, and whenever you click on the one button, then this rainbowman effect will appear. But rather than just CRM, you also can be able to customize and add to other modules as well as. So let's see how we can add this rainbowman effect. Here I have added this custom button, and as in return I have added this rainbowman effect is in dictionary. I have passed this effect as a key, and we have this fade out message and type. So we have to write this fade out as slow, and you can also write as in fast. But what is this fade out means? So whenever I click this button, then this rainbow effect will be appear, but after some certain time it will disappear. So it will disappearance of this time, it will achieve by this fade out. And in message, it is along with the rainbowman effect, and you can write any message if you want. Then we have to add this the type as in rainbowman. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add this rainbowman effect. Now let's see. When I click in this button, then this rainbowman effect will show and click successfully message along with it. Now I write this rainbowman effect code in this custom button, but you can add this rainbowman effect in any other button if you want. For example, in sell order, whenever I confirm this quotation, then I have to want this rainbowman effect, then you can do it. And or any other modules you have to add, then you can also customize it or add it. So that's it for today. Thank you.